What's up, everybody? I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I have the Money Done Right show. Today, I'm going to show you how to reinvest dividends and capital gain distributions in your Fidelity account. Let's get into it. Let's make me small. So, obviously, the market is taking a massive, massive dump right now. So that's why all this red is here. Now, to reinvest your dividends, this is your home screen for Fidelity. All accounts, see that summary, all these tabs. You want to go to the last tab here called Account Features. Then you want to hit this plus sign next to brokerage and trading, expand it, hit dividends and capital gains. Right now, if your dividends are not being reinvested, chances are right now all your options for all the securities you hold are set to deposit to core account right here. You need to change that, okay? Now, so this is a mutual fund, the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index. So I'm going to change this one. I'm going to click Update, okay? So see right now, the radio button is on Deposit to Core Account. We want to say Reinvest in Security, all right, for both dividends and capital gain distributions. Now, if you want to do this all the time for all mutual funds in your account, you got to check these boxes. Okay, all mutual funds currently held in this account and also future mutual fund purchases. Click Update. Okay. Now, you also have to do it for your equity positions like individual stocks and ETFs. So now go back, click Change Distributions on another account. See how my mutual fund ones, now they're both reinvested in security. See that? Now, these are all ETFs, right? So these are equity positions in Fidelity's parlance. So now you got to hit Update here. Okay, just like before, go to Reinvest in Security. And if you want to do this for all current and future equity positions, you got to check both of these boxes. Apply to all equity positions currently held in this account and apply to future equity purchases, transfers, and deposits to this account. Click Update. All right, now you're done. Double check yourself, click that button, change distributions on another account. There you go. They all say Reinvest in Security now. Now you have to do this for all your accounts, okay? And remember, if you want to apply it to future purchases and all as well, you got to do it for at least one mutual fund if you have mutual funds, and at least one ETF or individual stock if you have individual stocks and ETFs, okay? If you have any questions on this, please let me know in the comments. It's super easy, you can see. And also, if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. I post daily videos on personal finance, taxes, investing, credit cards, and more. Thank you so much for watching. Best of luck with your investing, and I'll see you tomorrow.